Here is the app VivaVideo Video Cut and Editor. Let's try it out. It's a Chinese app, so if you don't like sharing your data with Chinese apps, you just can not use it. But it has 280,000 ratings, so really, yeah, immense amount of ratings. It's powerful and easy to use video editing app that helps you easily record and show your life. Amateurs can cut and combine simple and intuitive clips anytime and anywhere, while professionals can have unlimited editing fun with powerful high-end editing functions. So you have AI tools, video editing, add music, stickers and text, filters and effects, keyframe, save and share. You have all of these things, text and stickers, effects, background, card speed, music. So then you can just see all of this onboarding, and then there is free trial, then $36 per year. But there is very limited free version. So then you can just create like a new project. You can allow access to your photos. So for example, and then you just have this editing, which is very similar to like InShot or iMovie. And you have a lot of different editing things, some AI elements which you can use. And yeah, so that's kind of the idea. Then you can just sign in. You can always clear your account, and then there is VIP. So quite good, app. It's in top chart. So if you're looking for some video editing app, try it out. I personally use InShot on, to be honest, on my iPhone. So here's the app I'm using. But if something happens to InShot, or also I'm using iMovie iOS, and you need very easy and simple iPhone editing app, just you can try this out. Why not? Quite a lot of good reviews in here. So yeah, that's the idea.